Hello guys, welcome to Make Money. But what if I told you can actually win up to 1 Bitcoin now, and I'm not paying money for this, it's 100% free. I'm going to walk you through the process, but in case you are interested and maybe you want to win up to that amount of Bitcoin, and let's say you want to get free cryptocurrency, apart from the video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Just let me know what you are going to be doing if you have that amount of Bitcoin, and drop your wallet address in the comment section. So after dropping what you are going to do with that amount of money, drop your wallet address, your Bitcoin in the comment section, and I'm going to be choosing the best people with the best ideas, and I'm going to be giving them something. It will not be up to that amount, it will definitely not be up to that amount, but at least I'm going to be giving you something. So guys, now please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and follow me for more videos like this. So guys, let's get to the video. So first of all guys, before maybe you think this is any of those scam sites out there, well guys, this is not those scam sites. This is actually from Binance. So Binance is going to be giving 1 Bitcoin to like 10 different people, which is around over almost $100,000 to like 10 different people, and you can be one of those people. Well, this new tip I'm going to be sharing is not going to be working for my friends in Nigeria or in Africa. This is going to be working for people in Europe and Ukrainian refugees. So once you get into the Binance app, you are going to see at the top of Binance, you are going to see stand a chance to win 1 Bitcoin. Like, then let's click on it. I'm going to see like if now this is going to work for like the first 10,000 people that try this. And how it works is that you are going to be ordering. How it works is that you are going to be ordering a Binance card from Binance. It's a Visa card. You are going to be getting around 8% cash back for every single thing you do, like shopping or whatever it is. You're going to be getting around 8% cash back. So now, despite the cash back, that is not just all. You are going to stand a chance to win up to 1 Bitcoin, which is currently around $37,000. You're going to stand a chance to win 1 Bitcoin if you follow the steps in this video. So now there are going to be three things which you should do. 3 things which you should do in order for you to win this amount of Bitcoin. 3 things. So now the first thing you need to do, if you look at the app, you're going to see, first of all, you will need to apply for the Binance card, which is a Visa card, which is going to be like, they're going to be delivering it to you. So now if you're in Nigeria, you can't get the card. All you just need to do is just like show your interest, and once it's available for people in Nigeria, they are going to be sending it to you. So the first thing to do, guys, is click on apply for Binance card. So now once you click on apply for Binance card, next thing you need to do is you need to visit the Binance card site, which is going to pop up here, and I'm going to be showing you. So now what you need to do is click on get started. You're going to choose in your country, which I say this doesn't work for people in Nigeria. Alright, I need to log into my Binance account. This doesn't work for people in Nigeria. This works for people that are in Europe. If you're in Nigeria, this is not going to work for you for now, but they are going to be notifying you once this thing is you're eligible for it in Nigeria. So yeah, it's not a waste of time. Just click on show interest, and they are going to be notifying you once Nigerians can get this card. So now the next thing you need to do after doing that, the next thing you need to do is the next step, which is use the card for at least make a purchase of around 10 euros from the card. And if you do not win, now a certain thing is that if you don't win this BTC, you are going to qualify for $5 BNB or BSUD voucher, which you can use on the spot or in buying of coin, whatever you want. $5 for free for the first 10,000 people, and out of those first 10,000 people, 4 of them are going to be giving $37,000 for free just by using the Binance card. So guys, this is an insane opportunity if you're in Europe, but there are some countries that are not permitted to use this card, that are not here, which are Germany and Netherlands. I don't know the reason why, but maybe I don't know, but those countries are not permitted to use this. Well, if you're in Luxembourg, Poland, Portugal, and all other European countries, well, you can use this. Now this doesn't work for people in USA, it doesn't work for people in Africa, but if you're in Europe, you can make use of this. Now the next thing you need to do is complete KYC, that is know your customer. Make sure you have completed your KYC, which is like know your customer. So in order for you to know if you have done your KYC, that's if you haven't sent your details to Binance. It's not my real account, this is just like a person's phone. There's going to be like a verified logo at the top here, a verified logo, in order for you to know if you have done your KYC. Now if your own is not showing verified, no, you haven't verified your account. Go and verify your account. Now the next step you need to take after doing your KYC, the next thing you need to do is make sure you buy at least something worth 10 euros, and if you are buying 10 euros, now you are getting 8% cash back, so that is going to be around $1, or let's say 8 cents. I don't know, it should be somewhere where you are going to get that back if you use the card. So guys, this is going to be a huge opportunity for you to make money, because you're not paying any money for it. The card is coming, everything is for free. So guys, if you're in Europe, make use of this opportunity, because I know some of my audience are from Europe. Guys, please make use of this opportunity and make a lot of money online. So alright guys, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and follow me for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave your number one host, Ben. Stay safe. Bye.